Hello everybody, it is me, Gaming Grass. I think I probably... Hold on. Okay, so you probably noticed that I have a new mic, and it's pretty sick. I mean, it has these LED lights, of course. I don't think I can show you on the computer or on the phone because I don't have any phone. But I don't think I can show you. But it's this, it's a really cool mic. My dad got me this. Shout out to him. So I'm gonna test this out on the game called Michael's Zombies. It's a cool game. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna test this mic out, and let's see how good it is. No zombie has come out yet. Right here. There's a lot of them already. I died. I'm gonna die. They left me! I just realized we're in round 21. I joined this game and I'm in round 21 already. And this is not good for me. The zombies are very strong. They're getting on. Bow, 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 bow. Oh no! One shot. One shot. Right there. Someone needs to revive. I can get an ore now. This ore thing right here. I can use this to attack. Look at this. It's so cool. Okay, so. Oh, I can test it out. Oh, knockback! They has knockback! Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. No! So close! Knockback! This guy won't revive me! I forgot to mention why they're so hard to kill. It's because in each round their health gets bigger. So I'm gonna have a hard time trying to kill them. Revive me! Who needs a revive? I can't. There's too many. Someone nuked! So funny using this ore. Oh, this is a good gun. This is a good one. Get away from me! Oh, God. Come on. Everyone needs a revive. There's only these two people that can help us. One of them died. Oh, no. Come on, revive me, revive. Oh! Oh! I need a better gun. I just... No! That's not good. Ow, ow. Oh! I got cornered. Great, now the mystery box is gone. Help me. Help me. Bro, they're not even doing anything. I'm going to die. Help me, help me, help me. Woo. Thank you. One more. Yeah, I think so. I think the mic is working. It has to be good, right? Right? It's on the chat. Yeah. I don't think they respawn. No. The people in... You need spatial chat. You need spatial chat in order to use the mic in the game. I don't think this game even uses it. But, Oh! Uh-oh, uh-oh. Awesome Dan needs a revive. No way. Oh. Oh, God. What? Oh, that's no fair. Come on, dude. They're not reviving me at all. Okay, now they are. Jeez, what took them so long? Oh, oh no. It's best if we stay up here. there a box thingy I can use? Up here. Oh, that's a good one. He got a good gun. Ooh. An AK-70 for you. What can we get off of this book? Oh my god! Oh! Run, run, run! Oh, how did I die? You got flinged. Oh! Oh! No! No! Please spare me! How are they getting such a good gun? Oh! Where are they coming from? Where are they coming? No, I am dying. Nuked. Someone nuked. My money. No! Ooh. We just got flinged. Whoa! What? I just got flinged, guys. That is so bad. Shoot. Reload. I got flinged out so bad. I went like, oh! You know? Oh, I'm in. I'm in. You need to deposit the things. How am I? Dude, how did I get in there? I swear, that's not cool. Could have sworn I didn't do that. Who got the cat? Dude, they're not doing anything. Help me. Help me. Oh no, I got flinged again. They're not doing anything, man. I'm gonna die. Oh, flinged. We're going to die. I'm going to die. I am going to die. Dies. Who is Michael? Meow, meow, meow. Oh man, duh. double points. Yeah, this is gonna be the finish.